The Air Needle Gun and Sandblasting Gun, a powerful combination for object refurbishment. Now, we will demonstrate how these two tools can transform a paint-damaged object into a brand new one. First, we use the Air Needle Gun to remove the surface paint and rust from the object. The Air Needle Gun efficiently eliminates dirt and rust from the object's surface, providing a clean foundation for the sandblasting gun treatment. Next, we use the sandblasting gun for surface treatment, giving the object a brand new appearance. Through the combination of air and abrasives, the sandblasting gun effectively removes surface rust. By utilizing the Air Needle Gun and Sandblasting Gun in tandem, the object has been completely restored, showcasing a fresh and renewed appearance.